There are ways on how to restore messages from iCloud. If you have kept a copy of your messages on the cloud, okay, we shall cover 3 proven methods in this video to help you recover text messages from iCloud without effort. Part 1. Different ways to back up messages to iCloud. 1. Enable automatic backup. 2. Turn on iCloud messages. 3. Manually back up your iPhone to iCloud. Part 2. How to restore messages from iCloud selectively. Apple iCloud does not let you enable partial restore of iOS messages. However, there are message recovery utilities available, like iPhone Data Recovery, which can give you a big hand. How to get old messages from iCloud backup via iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Get into the Recover from iCloud Backup file mode. Step 2. Download backup content. Step 3. Make iCloud messages recovery selectively. Part 3. How to recover messages from iCloud backup resetting required. Before doing so, please note that this method requires erasing all existing data on your device, and it will restore the entire backup you ever made, instead of messages only. Part 4. How to retrieve messages from iCloud messages. It's pretty easy to restore messages from iCloud backup directly on your iPhone without resetting it. Part 4. How to retrieve messages from iCloud messages. It's pretty easy to restore messages from iCloud backup directly on your iPhone without resetting it.